Hello and welcome. In this Test Kit Plus video, we're going to demonstrate testing DMT, otherwise known as the spirit molecule, Dimitri, and other street names. We'll use 3 different tests to try and see if this sample actually does contain DMT. A color reaction chart is included with each test. The first test is called Hofmann, and it's the primary test for DMT. I'll put a drop on the side as a control, and then on the sample. We'd expect a yellow color for DMT with this test, and that's what we're already getting here. Next, I'll use the Marquee test. Again, I'll put a control drop, then on the sample, which should gradually yield a brown color from yellowish. So far, we're seeing the yellow. Finally, I'll use Ehrlich, which should gradually give us a pinkish color that slowly darkens, eventually looking purplish. If you don't get a color change, then your sample definitely doesn't contain significant amounts of DMT. As you can see, we're using a very small sample for each test. A few milligrams is enough, and we're already starting to see the pink with Ehrlich. I'll fast forward a bit, and as you can see, a couple of minutes in, the colors have become more pronounced. All of this is consistent with what we'd expect with DMT. I've included a link in the description where you can get tests for DMT. Hope you found this video useful. Thank you, and happy testing.